back. My name is Alicia Ruprecht. For anyone new here, thank you so much for watching and checking me out. If you do like this content, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Today we just did a little work get ready with me, so this is what it will look like. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. If you care to see what I do before my shift, check this out. This is my little easy work look. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. And yeah, if you like this, like, subscribe, comment, give me a thumbs up. Anyways, thank you so much. Have a good day. Start doing our makeup. I do start with stuff to our mask, so I'm literally only gonna do like here up. So this will be like a mask makeup, if that's a thing. I don't know if it is. It could be today though. Stay tuned. So we're gonna get started with the Laneige lip mask. I like to put on my lips because I feel like I lick them in videos, which is weird. And no one likes crusty lips, so we're gonna take some of the Hourglass primer. Today, as usual, we're gonna go in with the Becca under eye. I feel like my eye circles aren't that bad as they used to be. I did get under eye filler. That was a few months ago though, so I feel like the effects aren't as good. 15 out of 10 though, I would recommend. I love it. For foundation, we're gonna go in with the MAC Studio Sculpt. And mix it with the YSL All Hours. We're back. I know this looks jank. Like I said, we're only going here up. For concealer, we are doing the Urban Decay. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but the background noise is straight rain. Like, it's disgusting out there. Can you see how gross? Not a fan. I'm ready for summer to come back. Are you guys more winter people or summer people? Let me know in the comments. I like summer myself. I hate how it gets so dark out so early. Not a fan of that. I also just like to be tanned and warm, you know? So we're gonna take the Maybelline Fit Me and just set our under eyes with that. And super good access above our eye. Alrighty, so now that we have brushed the excess powder away from our eyes, we're gonna start with the eyeshadow. We're probably gonna be using these two palettes here. So they are the Anastasia Beverly Hills. We've got Soft Glam and Norvina. I've never used this color before, so we're gonna go in with this. So it's the Norvina Eccentric color, and we're just gonna take that all over the crease. And then we're gonna continue blending that out with Sienna here in Soft Glam. It's really dark. Do you guys ever just get bored like when you're blending out your eyeshadow? I do. Oh, I have no idea what I actually want to do with my makeup today. Also, if you see in between here, I have fake tanner in between my fingers. It's not dirty. Also, I'm not sure if I filmed this or not, but I did switch from Urban Decay here to the Tarte Shape Tape. I just feel like this guy, he doesn't crease as much. Also, it's a little more coverage. I do use this like really often as well. I just feel like there's like no creases versus like, I haven't posted it yet, but the video I filmed yesterday, it was some crease using Tarte Shape Tape, so proof is in the fucking pudding, right? I'm gonna go in with the rose gold here, and I'm just gonna apply that to my lid using my finger. Do you see the fallout? It's wild. Also, in case you haven't noticed, there's obviously weird stuff going on in the background. This is my sister's old room. She did just move out. So there's like her old TV box, her TV mount on the wall. And then I'm trying to flatten out my old backdrop and maybe use that again. We'll see. But it's really wrinkly because I had it in my closet. So we're gonna do a wing liner again, going in with the Sephora collection eyeliner here. I'm not in love with this wing, but I might just have to do. We'll see what this one looks like. They're both shit, but it's fine. Okay, so these are Tragic. It's okay though. kind of like Amy Winehouse inspired maybe. They're very thick, pretty long. So we're gonna clean up my under eye a little bit with the MAC Fix Plus Studio Fix powder. I have so many of these and I've gone through so many of these. I do love them. In the summer, this is usually like all I wear for foundation. For bronzer, going in with the MAC Give Me Sun. And as I said, I do have to wear a mask for work, so I'm not even gonna bother taking it down here. I'm honestly just afraid of getting mask knee, so I try and keep all my makeup up, if that makes sense. We are gonna put a little bit of blush just to kind of blend that in. I also like to sweep it over my nose. I'm sure you can see like the line here, but it's fine. It's a pandemic, anything goes. For our inner corner highlight, we're going to take some of the Norvina palette and we're going to be using Dreamer here and just going to put that in our inner corners. Really brighten up that area. And then for our eyebrows, I use, again, all Benefit eyebrow products. I don't usually do my eyebrows, or I didn't ever used to. I think since I dyed my hair darker, these are lighter obviously. It just kind of looks weird if I don't. We'll see how long. I think this is just a phase though, so I feel like it won't be a forever thing. I do have very like, this is my eyebrows without anything, so I do have like very naturally like thick eyebrows. Even though my sister overplucked them. Hi. Yeah, the photos are horrendous. I look like I have a Nike swoosh on my eyebrows. As you can see, I don't really add too much. Just like, you know, a little here and there. I wouldn't even say I'm that good at them, but it's fine. And then we're gonna go in with the Gimme Brow. I swap between shade like 1, 2, and 3. It honestly just depends on the day. Maybe I'll do darker today. This is 1, never mind. I just have 2 1s in front of me, so we're doing 1. That is that for the eyebrows. I am gonna add a little highlight underneath them, you know, really jazz things up today. I know I said I wasn't for my face, but it feels weird if I don't have it. So we're just gonna take a little bit. I'll show you what it looks like with the mask on so you can see, like it's not just weird. 1 sec. Hello, I'm back. Okay, so this is like I probably will just wear a black one, but this is kind of where the mask will look. So as you can see, it looks normal. Like you would think that I have makeup all the way through, but I don't. It's a catfish. So this is it. I'm just debating on if I want to put eyelashes on. What do you guys think? Obviously this isn't in real time, so you can't answer that, but a lot of thinking is going on. I do have time, so I am probably just gonna, who doesn't love an eyelash moment, right? So I'll be back. I am probably just gonna wear the Ardell Dimming Wispies because those are my go-to. I feel like they just look like the most natural, but not, but like they are, you know? And yeah, I'll go put them on and I'll be back. I'm back with eyelashes on. Now we're just gonna start to do my hair. I don't know how I want to part it today. Probably not like this. The Babyliss like 1.5 inch curling rod. I don't like to use it like a proper rod. I like to use it like a wand more so. This is how I do it, don't touch me. Also, I do have heat protectant. I use the Bumble & Bumble UV heat protectant. I really like it. It's for like fine and dry hair, which is me, so I'm fine and I'm dry. I just like to let that cool off for a couple seconds, toss it to the back. I don't really love doing my hair. I am much more of a makeup person. I'll probably regret this big chunk, but it's fine. Also, I have curtain little bangs, but I feel like they're at such a weird length now that I don't know how to style them. So if you have any tips, just comment down below. Like, it just looks so weird if I... So there's 1/2. That was like me. When I do this side the same way. I just got my hair done darker like 2 days ago, and I'm still not sure about the color. I was blonde all my life. This year it's a pandemic. I just had to go pink like 4 times. I think every time I had a bad day, I just went pink. I don't know. I honestly really enjoyed it, but I just went darker. This is like my 3rd time going dark now this year. I'm not used to it yet. I hope that curling it will help. I think maybe it's a little too dark for me, but I paid for it, so here we are. I also got my friend to dye her hair pink, and a guy friend today, his hair pink, so it was just a thing during COVID, I feel. Also, you feel really like powerful. And I really liked it, so it's fine. It also might have been a sign I should have gone to therapy then and there instead of dyeing it, but I did really like it. To be fair, I did buy a pink wig ahead of time. This was like a year ago for, yeah, like Halloween time, just to see if I want to do it, because I was contemplating it for a while. So it was like 5 months that I was contemplating it for, so it was just time, you know? I don't know, I'll tuck it in. While my waves cool off, before I brush them out, I'm gonna put mascara on, get changed, and I'll be back. Hello, I changed, I'm back. Okay, I'm gonna brush my hair a little bit, because you know, we spent all that time curling it and damaging just to brush it out. That's the life of a girl. Well, how's it look? Good enough for me. Okay, put the mask on, and this is kind of it. So I'll show you what my outfit is. This is the fit. I'm not sure if you can see the fit. I'm probably gonna get too hot, but here it is. Right now, this is like a little collared shirt. I don't know if I like it. I'll leave it on for now, but anyways, this is it. And I'm probably gonna go watch Gilmore Girls for the next, I have half an hour. So probably go watch Gilmore Girls, and yeah, thank you so much.